Like TV.
Like Publishing presents Proverbs for Preschoolers, picture books for early readers and beginning readers, illustrated by Sergio S. Drumond and narrated by Gale Cruz. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Pedro always wanted a pet bird, so he set a trap every day. He was so happy when he finally caught one today. "Look," he told Diego, his friend, "I caught a bird, finally." Diego laughed. "Just one? And you're so happy? Now, watch me. I'll catch 10 birds. You'll see." But Pedro wondered, was it really that easy? Diego uses his traps, and he uses his net. "Just watch. 10 birds or more I'll get." Pedro wasn't convinced. He asked Diego to stop. But Diego was stubborn. He wouldn't give up. He saw a bird up a tall tree. But the bird flew away, tweeting, "You can't catch me." Still, Diego wouldn't give up. He found an even taller tree. "I will catch 10 birds, Pedro. Just wait and see." Again, Diego started to climb. He was running out of time. So what if it was a tall tree? He didn't care. He was going to catch this bird. He was almost there. But suddenly, he fell down the tree. Oh no! He had scraped his knee. To make things worse, the rain started falling. Where was Pedro? He kept calling and calling. As he sat down, he thought that catching birds wasn't easy. Now he understood. And he realized he wasn't going to catch 10 birds by the time he was rescued. His parents gave him a hug. Pedro was there too. And Diego told him, "One bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush." I should have listened to you. This has been a Like Publishing presentation.
Like TV.